Hello everyone, once again you all are welcome in intensive tutorial with Kiran Sinha ma'am, and today we are going to start acid, base and salt for standard 7 CBSE. It's a very interesting chapter and it is one of my best chapter that I like the most. बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है, तो चलिए इस चैप्टर को स्टार्ट करते हैं। और हाँ, कमेंट बॉक्स में आप लोग मुझे ये बताना ना भूलिएगा कि आज का क्लास आपको कैसा लगा, एंड इफ़ यू लाइक्ड इट तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा। और हाँ, ये तो बोलना नहीं है कि आप लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया या नहीं, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लिया होगा। तो चलिए बढ़ते हैं अपने आज के लेक्चर की ओर। Different food items have different taste. As for example, sugar, cake, candy, milk, toffee, cold drinks, these all are sweet. Whereas lemon, oranges, pickles, curd, tamarind, these all are sour in taste. Few food items we can taste salty, as for example potato chips, so common salt that we are using to during the cooking, samosa, namkeens, these all are salty in taste. So let us compare the taste of few food items. As for example, sugar, the taste of sugar is sweet, milk sweet, curd sour in taste, baking soda little bit salty in taste, orange juice sweet and sour in taste, common salt it is salty, lemon juice it is sour in taste, potato chips it is salty, tamarind it is sour in taste. So now question arises, why different food have different taste? Because food that we eat contains different mix of chemicals, and those chemicals activate our taste system, which is present as a taste bud on our tongue. So taste bud is activated by the chemicals which is present in our food. Lemon, oranges, unripe mango, curd, tamarind, these all have sour taste due to presence of a substance called acid. So word acid comes from a Latin word acidus, that means sour. So one thing is very clear, that acid have sour taste. Let us see few natural occurring acid that are present in our food. Actually they are weak acid, natural occurring acids are weak acid. So all citrus fruit, that is orange, lemon, they contains citric acid. Milk, curd, they contains lactic acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Tartaric acid is present in tamarind, grapes, unripe mango. Amino acids are present in proteins. Tannic acid is present in tea. Apple contains malic acid. All type of carbonated drink, or you can say soft drink, contains carbonic acid. So these all are the natural acid which is present in our food items. On the basis of source, acid is of two types. Number one is natural acid, it is also called organic acid, and they are weak acid. They are generally present in food items. Second one is mineral acid, which is obtained from minerals present in the earth crust, and they are strong acid and corrosive in nature. Example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Sulfuric acid is the strongest acid. Hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach and help in digestion of food. Now come to base. Chemical substances that are bitter in taste and soapy to touch are called base. Example, baking soda, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, aluminum hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is also called lime water. So these all are base. When water is added to these substances, it gives us soapy feel. Now come to next category of the compound, that is salt. Salt is chemical compound formed when acid react with base. So as for example, when sodium hydroxide, which is a base, react with hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride and water. Here sodium chloride is the salt. So salt is compound when acid react with base. So all the chemical compounds around us are classified into three major categories, that is acid, base and salt. So in the next class we will discuss about how to identify acid, base and salt by using indicator like litmus paper, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, homemade indicator like turmeric powder, China rose petal